to tell YouTube what we just did?
What?
Tell YouTube what we did.
It goes to tiny Walmart.
We did go into a tiny Walmart. I had to go to a Walmart this morning because the weather is so cold and so rainy. I don't want him to get sick. I only packed him t-shirts and shorts. So I got him a couple pair of really warm pants and some comfy sweatshirts. And then I found this rain jacket for me, which I was quite surprised. I don't have anything to help with rain. So cool. But we both pulled in.
On Walmart.
There are cameras on Walmart. We both pulled in and we were like, it's so tiny. We're so used to Walmart supermarkets. So we are at the Walmart in Cuba, Missouri. We actually left Chris at the house so he could do his morning stuff. And then we're gonna go see some things in Cuba and then go pick up Chris and head out back on the road. So we'll see you in a bit. Look what Eli just found. He found a big old train. And then over in the distance is a Cuba, Missouri water tower. And then there's actually a really, really old one over there. I'll show you in a minute. Kind of that Warner Brothers theme going on. Here we are at the world's second largest rocking chair. We're actually going to get out and take a look here since we couldn't get out and see the world's largest yesterday. Oh yeah. So again, we are here at the world's second largest rocker. We just met some nice folks. They were under the impression that this is the world's largest. Now it was the world's largest rocking chair, but only until 2015. Yesterday, when we were in KC, Illinois, that is the world's largest now, as of today. Baby, no cats, come on. So, my favorite YouTubers, or one of my favorite YouTubers, was out here, and they put a sticker on. So I'm gonna try and find their sticker. Come here, Shug. Stay in the rocks so you don't get your toes too wet. I don't know where it's at. I'm gonna have to find it.
See Chick's chair.
What?
There's a buggies on it.
Sure is. Good eyeball, dude. We finally made it to Uranus. There's the general store. They got what looks like a circus tent, a bunch of different stuff, an old wood water tower. We made it. Alright, let's go in and see. They have a Zoltar! I didn't get my money. I need to go get my money. Come on, I gotta get. Hey! I gotta get my money. That was so windy. I got my $1. Let's go play Zoltar. Zoltar! Meaner than a junkyard dog. Woo! Take it. Take my $1. Take my money. Okay, here we go.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Zoltar, the wise gypsy, has prepared a little poem just for you. Life is mostly froth and bubble. Two things stand alone. Kindness in another's trouble. Courage in your own. Do not worry, little one. You are not in trouble, but have courage today in your adventures. And come back to visit Zoltar for more wisdom.
Right here.
I'm trying. Why don't they ever get tickets anymore? Ah. Uranus Fudge Factory. Eli's excited to go into Uranus.
Look at that.
Oh, it's an old gas pump. All right. What is it? Oh, nice. They got all kinds of candy and fudge.
Yeah, it's like this.
Look, they have chocolate Band-Aids.
Chocolate.
Look down here.
Chocolate Band-Aids?
What do you think about that?
Yeah, that's cool. Have fun.
Look at those gummy bear balloons.
And look at that.
What? Oh, the big gummy bear. Whoa.
And look at that boy.
Oh, there's bugs. We gotta show Mimi these bugs.
It's another one.
He just said, no. He sees the poop machine.
It's another one.
Oh my gosh.
It's like that. For the door. I don't want to try that chocolate too.
It's a poopy.
Look at that.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Sabu. Thank you.
Look at that.
Yeah, come on. Wow. Now the cashier just told us about this. They have a bunch of neon signs on the side of the Uranus building. So they have Route 66, Roy's Motel, Wigwams, Blue Swallow Motel, the Cadillac Ranch, the Blue Whale, Uranus, Ted Drew's Frozen Custard. They are on, but this will look amazing at nighttime. Here we are at the world's largest belt buckle. That place was so much fun. Oh my gosh, I think it's good to come in the day, but I would have loved to have been here at nighttime because the lights around this place would just be crazy. This place is really cool. We just made it to the Munger Moss Hotel. I'm gonna go inside and see what they have. But I just want to show you guys the sign. It looks so cool. We are now at the world's largest gift store in Phillipsburg, Missouri.
And now we gotta find magic trash.
We're gonna try and look for toys for Ela. So the way it's set up so far, it kind of looks like a flea market or something. At least that's what it reminds me of. I feel like I'm back home. They have all kinds of itty bitty toys here. So Eli really likes this operation. And in any other circumstance, I would let him get it. But I know he's going to lose all of the pieces. So I said not this time.
I found monster trucks for Halloween.
Shut up. They're little too, like your baby trains. So Eli wanted this tiny little Hot Wheel car with his monies.
And look.
And it's a golden poop puppet.
And it hurt my back.
Yeah, he hurt his back. It was really sad. But we're going to open that in the car, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Here is the world's largest fork in Springfield, Missouri. Well, we finally made it to the Gay Parita Sinclair filling station. Yeah. So they actually are showing off. This is a replica of what an old gas station would have looked like in the 1930s. It is so cool here. We are about to cross into Arkansas, a state that Eli and I have never ever been to before.